I'm Angela, founder of Angela Wolf Video, a corporate video studio specializing in branded video content for small to mid-sized businesses. I launched my company in 2016. I'd worked internally for several different organizations and found the same problem at each of them. There was always a stubborn video producer who refused to take any feedback. I knew I could do better. What sets Angela Wolf Video apart is our ability to listen to and implement what our clients want. With a degree in film from Temple University, go Owls, and over a decade of experience, it's my job to create a video that solves your problem while fitting into your brand's vision. From our studio in South Philly to locations up and down the East Coast, we partner with clients who are ready to market their company in ways that feel personal, intentional, and engaging. We are a certified woman-owned small business, and we give personality to your content. Connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or TikTok at Angela Wolf Video, or email us at info@angelawolfvideo.com.